First, I also would like to inform and thank our headmen for giving us the space and all the facilities so that we could have this CM Connect meeting. In his memorandum, he had mentioned about one road to one waterfall. What is it called? Loai waterfall. So I want to inform him and the people at large that the DPR is being prepared for that. And so therefore it is in the pipeline. It will 100% be sanctioned very soon. So that's number one. Number two, for the renovation and expansion of the village, Darbar Hall, there is no amount that's mentioned, but he had mentioned an amount to me earlier. But right now from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, I have limitations. So I will not be able to give the entire amount which he has requested. But I will be giving a small contribution of 15 lakhs from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund for the renovation and expansion of the village Darbar Hall here at Thangsning. The rest of the two we have already discussed. Of course, he's mentioned about the sub-center. Right now, as I said, we are going for upgradation of other two. So we will examine this at a later stage. Immediately, I will not be able to confirm. And construction of the football ground, gallery and dressing room. This I am told that the MLA has decided that he will do from his MLA scheme. He told me just now.